Okay, so good day everyone. So welcome back again to our online class. So for today's lesson, we're just going to review our past lesson last Monday. Since Group B is already know about this, we're just going to review it for Group A. So now we're going to do the comparing and ordering numbers. So let's start. So first example, we're going to compare and order numbers. So look at Peter and Ravi's toys. So the question here for number 1, who has more toys? How many more? And who has fewer toys? When you say fewer, it is less toys. And how many fewer or how many less? So now we're just going to compare the numbers using the subtraction. Okay, so Peter, you look at Peter, how many toys does Peter have? So Peter has 5 toys, okay? While Ravi has 7 toys. Now, we're going to compare numbers by subtraction. So we're going to subtract 7 minus 5. So 7 is Ravi's toys and 5 is Peter's toys. So now 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Very good. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Now, Ravi has 2 more toys than Peter, while Peter has 2 fewer toys than Ravi. Okay? Because Ravi has fewer toys than Ravi. So Peter has fewer toys than Ravi. So you remember the alligator's mouth? Everybody, the alligator's mouth or the crocodile's mouth likes to eat big number. So you look at that side. So this side is a representation of the alligator's mouth or the crocodile's mouth. So the crocodile's mouth likes to eat big number. So we have 5 and 7. So which one has the big number? So it is 7, right? So the alligator's mouth will eat number 7. So 5 is less than 7. Okay, so 5 is less than 7. 5 is 2 less than 7. Or has more toys, or Ravi has more toys than Peter. So you look at this. How do we write it? Ravi has more toys than Peter. How can we write it? So we have 7, since 7 is Ravi's toys and 5 is Peter's toys. So now 7, you remember the crocodile's mouth likes to eat big number. So the alligator will eat number 7. So 7 is more than 5. Did you understand? Okay, good job. Now, for your activity, it is do and learn. We're going to answer this one. So you look at the picture and fill in the boxes. So the first picture for letter A, we have tomatoes and pineapples. So the question here, there are blank fewer tomatoes than pineapples. So let's see the answer by doing the subtraction. So first, since the pineapples has more pineapples than the tomatoes, we're going to subtract 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 pineapples. So we have 15 pineapples. And how many tomatoes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. So there are 8 fewer tomatoes than pineapples. So next, you look at the butterflies. There are blank more butterflies than the bird. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 butterflies. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 birds. So 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Very good. So there are 9 more butterflies than birds. So now you look at letter C. So we have ships. So the ships is more than the cars. But the question is, there are fewer cars than ships. How many fewer cars are there in ships? So let's count first the ships. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10, while the cars is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. That's why there are 4 fewer cars than ships. Okay, so this one, we're going to compare the numbers. So we're going to write greater than or more than or less than in each box. So this will, we will apply here the alligator's mouth or the crocodile's mouth, okay? So remember, the crocodile likes to eat big number. So the mouth of the alligator will eat the big number. So for letter A, we have 25 and 22. So which one is the bigger number? So it is 25. That's why the alligator's mouth will open at 25. So letter B, we have 30 plus 9. So 30 plus 9 is equal to 39. And we have 38. So which one is bigger, 38 or 39? 39, very good. Next one is for letter C. We have these numbers. So the answer is, okay. For letter D, we have, the answer will be this one. So it is 36. 36 and 26. Next we have 22 and 32, I think. So we have 22 and this number. And then last one, we have 20 plus 9. Okay, very good. So for your homework, I want you to do the page 94. This is for group A, okay? Group A, you do the homework page 94. Okay, since some of your or some books are here in the school, we don't have any activity. So this homework will be on group A's homework, okay? So that's all for today. Thank you everyone for listening. I hope we can see or I can see you here in school next week again. So thank you everyone.